Welcome my students in the exercise question number 6 coordinate. Question number 6, prove that the following points are collinear. We know that if the given points are collinear, so the area of triangle is 0. So the given points 2, 1, 4, 3 and 3, 2. The first question, second question, 9, 6 and so on. So we take the first questions from the screen. Please see here. Solution. Given coordinates first 2, 1 and 4, 3, 3, 2. So we know that x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We write x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 3 and y3 is equal to 2. We know that if the given points are collinear, so area of triangle is 0. Area of triangle, if given points are collinear, so the area of triangle is equal to area of triangle 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 after equal to 0. We cross multiply from 0, we take find 0. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Put the value of x1 2, y2 is 3 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 is 4, y3 is 2 minus y1 is 1 plus x3 is 3, y1 is 2, y1 is 1, y1 is 1 minus y2 is 3 equal to 0. 2, 3 subtract 2, find 1 plus 4, 2 subtract 1, 1 plus 3 is subtract from 1 is find minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 1, 2 1 ja 2, 4 1 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, minus 6 equal to 0. 2 plus 4, find 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So 0 is plus and 6 is minus. Find 0 is equal to true. And next question is second. Second question 9, 6 and 1, 0 and minus 7, minus 6. So x1 is equal to 9, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to minus 7, y3 is equal to minus 6. Given points are collinear, so area of triangle is collinear. If given points are collinear, then area of triangle is equal to 0. Write the formula of area of triangle 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. After cross multiply, we find 0. So x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Put the value of x1, y1, y3 from here. So x1 is 9, write 9, y2 is 2 is equal to 0, minus y3 minus 6 minus plus x2 is 1, y3 is minus 6 minus y1 is 6 plus x3 is minus 7 y1 is 6 minus y2 is 0 and 0. Adding 0 in 6, find 6 plus 1 into 6 minus are both number, so we added and find minus 12 plus minus 7 into 6 and equal to 0. 9 6 are 54 plus minus 12 and 12 plus minus 7 6 are 42 equal to 0. We added 54, 2 and 2, 4, 1 and 4, 5 minus equal to 0. Here this is the plus and this is minus. Cross. 0 is equal to 0. Find 0 is equal to 0. So the given points is collinear. True. Next question 3. B plus C, comma A, C plus A, comma B, and A plus B, C. So, if the given points are collinear, so area of triangle is equal to 0. We write the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. 1 upon 2 we goes cross multiply, find 0. So x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. We put the value of x1, so x1 is here and y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Put the value of x1 B plus C, and y2 is B minus y3 is C plus x2 C plus A and y3 is C minus y1 is A plus x3 A plus B and y1 is a minus y2 is b is equal to 0. B, see here a plus b and a minus b. So b square minus c square. Here we see c plus a, c minus a. So c square minus a square. We here see a plus b and a minus b. We write a square minus b square is equal to 0. We see here b is plus and b is minus. We cross. And c is minus, c is plus. We cross. A is minus, a is plus. Cross. Find 0 is equal to 0. So this is the given points are collinear proof. Next question 4. Given points 5, 6, minus 1, 4 and 2, 5. X1 is equal to 5, Y1 is equal to 6, X2 is equal to minus 1, Y2 is equal to 4, X3 is equal to 5, Y3 is equal to X3 2 and Y3 is 5. If given points are collinear, so area of triangle is equal to 0. We write the formula area of triangle 1/2 x1 y2 minus y1 y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Here 1/2 is whole multiple, so we goes in cross multiple, find 0. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. We put the value of x1 from here. x1 is 5, write 5. x2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 5, y3 is 5, we write 5 plus x2, x2 is minus 1 and y3 is 5 minus y1 is 6 plus x3 is 2, y1 is 6 minus y2 is 4 and equal to 0. After subtracting minus 5 and 4, find minus 1 plus minus 1 multiplied by 6 subtract by from 6, 1 plus 2, 6 is plus, 4 is minus. After subtracting is 5 is find 2 is equal to 0. Here 5 multiplied by minus 1, find 5 1 ja 5 minus 5 plus minus minus plus 1 1 ja 1 plus 1 and 2 2 ja 4 plus, so we find plus 4 is equal to 0. Here minus 5, 1 is plus, 4 is plus, so find plus 5 is equal to 0. So here minus 5 and plus 5 both are cross. Find equal to 0. Here we find 0 and 0. This is the collinear points proof. So that students, if you understand these questions, answers, please take short screens and share his friends. Please subscribe my channel to again see watch. Thank you.